The forest is calm, bathed in the warm, golden light of the setting sun. The trees sway gently in the evening breeze, and distant birds sing their final songs of the day. A young boy named Dharsh walks through the woods, his footsteps light and carefree. He's on an adventure, but little does he know, today will be different. Dharsh pauses as a faint, desperate cry cuts through the stillness. His heart races as he listens more intently. It's the cry of an animal in distress. Without thinking, he follows the sound, his curiosity pulling him deeper into the forest. Dharsh finds a small, trembling bear cub caught in a snare. Its eyes are wide with fear, its fur matted with dirt. The boy kneels beside it, gently speaking to calm the cub. It's hurt but alive. From the shadows, a figure emerges, the hunter. With a crossbow slung over his shoulder and a determined look in his eyes, he strides forward, unaware of Dharsh's presence. The boy freezes, knowing the hunter could harm the cub. Dharsh knows he must act quickly. He doesn't want the cub to be harmed. With courage in his heart, he stands up and walks toward the hunter, his voice firm yet calm. "Please don't hurt him. He's just a baby," Dharsh says, stepping in front of the cub to protect it. The hunter stops, his eyes narrowing as he looks at the boy. There's a moment of silence before he lowers his crossbow slightly. The boy's bravery catches him off guard. "You care for this creature?" the hunter asks, his voice low. After a long pause, the hunter sighs deeply. "I've been taught to hunt for food, but maybe there's another way." He bends down, carefully releasing the snare from the cub's leg. "Take care of him," he says, before turning and walking away. Dharsh leads the cub to a safe spot in the forest, away from danger. They sit together, the boy gently petting the cub as it curls up beside him. The sun sets behind them, and the world seems a little kinder now.